So there's some people who are very like sort of solo and then sort of enjoy, you'll sort of recognize this. There's always that one person in the room who likes to be the canary, who completely says all like the things that are wrong in your team or organization. And we don't
Canary, that's a very judicious word.
but we need to in some ways thank them, right? And they're never thanked for their role in these
Good point.
organizations because they're actually pointing out what maybe no one else will point out. And meanwhile, there's the rest are just silently burning out. And so you need to have sometimes all of the disparities so that you can actually move forward together.